We have another small town radar encounter. Okay, if you saw the other video I did where we picked up a ticket with K-band in a small town, we just had another experience on a state highway heading through a small town where there was a K-band precipitous drop to 30 miles an hour. But in our case, fortunately, we had a local police officer that was running a Kustom 35.5, so it was very clear to pick him up. So let's see how that turned out and how easy it is to run into a speeding ticket in a small town, particularly if they're running K-band and they have K-band signs around. But with the MAXcam 360, it often freezes. I downloaded the video 5 minutes. We're picking up 35,470. So it's 30 mile an hour. This is going to be, fortunately, a situation where we just had a K alert with a speed sign, but they're running KA on this road. So let's not make the mistake that I just did in Utah. Looks like they could be on the left, targeting vehicles coming the other direction. Is that state trooper sitting in the gas station? It looks, or sheriff? It looks like it. Yep, there he is. Tricky. Now we're in the sweet spot. So there you have it. You have to be mindful of small towns.